Hey guys, in one of my previous videos you've seen the new Swiss transformer winding machine that I've received from one of my kind patrons, Evgeny. The machine needs a lot of cleaning, derusting, and I need to assemble all its bits and pieces without a manual. In this episode I will try to get the original 3-phase 380 volt electric motor that came with the machine to work on a single phase at 230 volts mains voltage. Originally it came with this 5-prong 3-phase Swiss plug, which I will remove from the convenient plastic screw terminal. To make the motor work, we need a capacitor to shift the phase in order to start it. I will use this giant dynamite starter capacitor, which is an 80 microfarad cap rated for around 400 volts or so. I will also sacrifice this PC mains cable by clipping its end off and stripping the insulation. Here in Europe, the green-yellow wire is the ground wire, brown is the hot, and blue is the neutral wire. So I connect the ground to ground and the hot and neutral on the two following terminals. To get the motor started, you can wire a capacitor across the free terminal on the connector which is connected to the third phase wire and to either hot or neutral terminal. To make sure the motor doesn't move anywhere, I will clamp it to the desk using a small C-clamp. So now it's time to test this motor. I will turn the switch on and it works. It sounds like the bearings are not happy inside the motor, but for the time being that's not my biggest concern. I've also decided to clean the case a bit before I proceed. So I just use a cordless drill with a wire brush bit to remove the surface rust and dirt. I also wanted to check what's under this cover for the connections and clean that part as well while I was at it. I'm careful not to disturb the connections while I'm cleaning it. I've wired the motor now with a switch to be able to change the direction of the spinning. By shifting the capacitor lead between hot and neutral, we can change the direction of the spinning. So it seems that it's working fine in both directions, but I'm still not sure whether I will use this motor in the end or just get a similar single-phase 230 volt motor and just transfer the gear part from the front. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you like this project, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to support the channel, check out my Patreon page in the link in the description and my projects for sale on my website. Thanks for watching.